In the geometric progression, it's given that the ratio of the sum of the first 3 terms to that of the sum of the first 6 terms is 125 is to 152. So what will be the value of the common ratio? So let's begin. We are going to specify the first term and the common ratio. So let the first term be the letter A in lowercase, and the common ratio we're going to represent it by the letter R in lowercase as well. Now, it's given that the first term, the sum of the first 3 terms, so that means A plus AR plus AR squared, divided by the sum of the first 6 terms. So we have A plus AR plus AR squared plus AR cubed plus AR raised to the power of 4 plus AR raised to the power of 5. That this ratio is given by 125 divided by 152. So in the numerator, if we take A as the common factor, so we have 1 plus R squared divided by, so similarly in the denominator, we'll combine the first 3 terms by taking A as the common factor. So we have 1 plus R squared plus we'll combine the remaining 3 terms by taking AR cubed as the common factor. We have AR cubed multiplied to 1 plus R squared. So this ratio is still 125 over 152. Now, what we can do, the numerator remains the same. We have A times 1 plus R squared, all divided by. So in the denominator, we see that there are 2 terms. So this is the first term and this is the second term. So we can combine these 2 terms by taking 1 plus R squared. This will become the common factor. So this is now multiplied to A plus AR cubed. So this will be equals to 125 divided by 152. So 1 plus R squared, that gets factored out from both the numerator and denominator. In the numerator, we are left with A divided by, in the denominator, we have A plus AR cubed, which is simply A times 1 plus R cubed. So this will be equals to 125 divided by 152. So we have A and A factoring out from the numerator and the denominator. Now we're going to cross multiply. So we have 125 plus 125 R cubed equals to 152, which is going to give us 125 R cubed equals to 152 minus 125, so that's 27. So R cubed will be equals to 27 divided by 125. Now 27, that's actually the cube of 3, and 125, that's the cube of 5. So we have 3 over 5 whole cube. Solving for R, or taking the positive cube root, where R, the common ratio is going to be 3 over 5.